Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy on Gumroad. Alright, so first up, log into your Gumroad account, and then once you're in here, go ahead over to the bottom left. You'll have Discover, or the Discover section. Just go ahead and click on it, and you'll find these tabs right here. It could be a drawing, painting, 3D, design, music and sound design, films, and more. So for example, you're trying to buy something under education. Should it be all education? English, history, math. So for example, math, scroll down, and then you'll be able to see the prices right here, as well as what it is. All right, so find the product, click on the link or hyperlink, and then on the product page, all you got to do is read through the description, preview any available media, and select any specific option like pricing tiers or product variants. All right, so for example, this one, you can add this to your wish list, read everything right here. There will be some free samples depending on the seller. And then you can just go ahead and click on Add to Cart. Now, once that's done, you can set this one to another Gumroad user. All right, if you have a discount code from this seller, go ahead and enter the discount code or from Gumroad itself. You could add in these options as well if you want to. But if not, if you just want to buy this product, well, go ahead and enter your card number right here. The expiration date is a CVC. Click on Pay, follow the simple prompts, and once done, you are good to go. In the next page, you will see a digital receipt on your screen with a download button to instantly access your file, and you will also receive a confirmation email on your emailing service. It could be Gmail, Yahoo, ProtonMail, or any other emailing service. And if you're wondering, where do we find the purchased item? Well, you can just go ahead over to the left panel right here and just click on Library under Discover. All right, and that's how easy it is to buy on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.